I'm here at a toilet that has a leaky valve. It has an older style valve where you have to turn and turn and turn and turn and turn to get the water on and off. I always recommend upgrading when you have these types of 360 turn valves to a half turn knob valve. If you'll notice with this valve, you only have off and on. Those are the only settings. So there's no confusion as to whether the water line is on or off because it doesn't spin and twist. It's either on or off. Another great thing about this is that this type of repair, because I got this particular brand Sharp by Push to connect, I don't have to do any soldering. All I have to do is cut off the old piece and push this into the new piece of copper pipe, and then you have a leak-proof, ready to go installation. Pretty simple. Here's the old gross valve. Here is the new valve. In order to install it, I'm going to hold on to the pipe. I'm going to push down. There we go. Now, I have a leak-proof, also removable connection. Okay, I just turned the water onto the house. Nothing was screaming and leaking, so we're gonna test it out. We're gonna turn this valve on. Awesome, no leaks here. So far, no leaks here. So it sounds like we fixed the problem, which is exciting.